Hey guys, it's Marisa at Kitchen Table Stamper. I know you didn't expect me to go live today. It's not on schedule, but yesterday I got my Perennial Birthday Kit, and we're doing the Perennial Birthday on May 9th together. So I thought I would unbox the kit with you guys, and you can see what comes in this awesome kit. So I'll give you a few minutes to get in here. These are the cards that the Perennial Birthday Kit makes. It's a beautiful floral happy birthday, and then this more masculine happy birthday with the balloons, and then this beautiful Dapper Denim floral design, and Today Blooms Just For You. I love this card. It doesn't have to be a birthday one either. So those are the gorgeous cards that this kit makes. We are going to get together. Either we can do on May 9th, either 10:30 a.m. or 6:30 p.m. in my Rolling Meadows home studio. And we're going to put this kit together. If you'd like to join me, order your kit by April 30th. And you can order with me. I'll put together an order, and we'll combine shipping and keep the cost down. $37 with shipping and tax if you are going to join me. But you have to let me know by April 30th if you want your kit. And we'll get together on the 9th either at 10:30 or at 6:30 and put the kit together. This is the Perennial Birthday Stamp Set. I'll have this available to use, but you can absolutely add that onto your kit order. If you order the kit with the host code, you also can come and join us putting together the project kit, or we'll do it Facebook Live. We'll include you in the 6:30 or the 10:30 time, and I'll get you in on Facebook Live with us. So it'd be kind of fun way to put the project kit together. The Perennial Birthday Stamp Set is a cling rubber, and it's 145760, and that does not come with the kit. It's an additional item. And the project kit itself, let's get in here and unbox it. So here's the project kit. You get this fantastic box to keep your birthday cards in. Isn't that fantastic? I'll get a scissor and we'll open that up. The project kit comes with full color instructions and how to assemble each of the 4 card designs, and there are 4 of each of the cards. Let's get this opened up. I had the card samples, but I didn't have the box, and I wanted you guys to be able to see this gorgeous kit and all that it includes. So if you're thinking about it, you'll know what you're going to get. All right, so the box has this cool little elastic closer, and it matches the cards perfectly. It's a good quality, kind of heavy chipboard box. Look at that fun Flirty Flamingo dot pattern on the inside. All right, so in the box you'll find all the supplies that you need to make your kit. Oh, I'm shaking out the embellishments. Let's look at those first. Got this gorgeous gold ribbon and Dapper Denim baker's cord, and then the kit contents here. Let's open that up and take a look. I can't wait to put this kit together. Have all my birthday cards right on hand and ready to go, organized in a gorgeous little box. It looks like I've got some people join me. Say hey and let me know where you're from. I'm opening up and unboxing the Perennial Birthday Project Kit. We're going to do this together on May 9th. And you can join me in my Rolling Meadows home studio or by Facebook Live, and we'll put the kit together. All right, so inside the project kit, we've got all the pieces for the different cards. Can you see those if I lay them out here a little bit in the frame? So here's our little die cut Whisper White that allows you to do this fun, like, I don't know, what would you call that? Like Venetian blinds almost, this fun background. Here's those pretty little floral ovals. They're stitched and foiled. They're gorgeous. And then you've got your little foiled banners. I love these banners with the floral, or I mean with the foil accents. It really makes this card kit kind of luxurious. Here's the Flirty Flamingo card bases and Old Olive card bases, 4 of each. Here's that gorgeous floral card base. Look at that. I want designer series paper like that. Catching the foil accents on that. And then this one's got a gold foil polka dot on Dapper Denim. Comes with all of your envelopes ready to go. Your die cut for the balloon cards and the tassels. And then it's got all of your months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. And you can add the months to the tabs dividers for the cards. Okay, let's get to those dividers since we've already got. All right, so here's for the beautiful Flirty Flamingo card. Here's the tags that we're going to stamp on for this floral card. They're already die cut, and that's for this card. All right, so those are the card pieces. And then it comes with these great dividers, and you can accent each of the tabs with what month. So you put one is January, add the little January, and then on that day of the month, you can put whose birthday. So you'll have a perennial calendar that you're also building. So January, you'd list out all your January birthdays. February, you'd list out all your February birthdays. March, list out all your March birthdays. And then once you're done through the year, you put the tabs back into the gorgeous box. And then you file birthday cards for each of those birthdays that you wrote down behind the month. Hey, Marianne. I'm just doing an epic unboxing here. I got my Perennial Birthday Project Kit, and we're going to do that together on May 9th. So I thought, why not open it up with you guys? I haven't seen the kit. I got my card samples. I swapped with some demonstrators to get the card samples. I did one kit, and they did another kit, and then we had samples of the kit without having to do all the kits at once. So I just got my kit and thought I'd share with you guys all the great stuff that comes in this kit and how it works. And the box then, because of the perennial calendar inside, becomes a great way to store all your birthday cards and keep organized so you never miss a birthday. And of course, then after you've filed all your birthday cards, filled out your calendar, you can just keep refilling this box again and again and again. Marianne, you love this kit? Me too. I love this box. I want to get better at sending birthday cards. I send tons of thank you cards and sometimes some thinking of you cards and stuff like that, but I never send birthday cards. I never send birthday cards, so I don't really make a lot of birthday cards. It's really sad. But I figure if I get myself organized here, I could send more birthday cards. And this is a great way to do it. And then it also makes an absolutely beautiful gift. So you could put together the 16 cards, put them in the box, and gift this to somebody else. It's a beautiful gift. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys the cards in the box and what comes in the kit. I'll add this video to the calendar page of my blog too, so those of you who are considering doing the kit with me, we can do it together on May 9th. Hey Gina, I got your message today, my friend. I'm sad to hear it. You're in my thoughts today. We're just taking a look at the Perennial Birthday Kit. I was unboxing it anyway. I went and unboxed it live so that people who are maybe considering the class can see the contents of the kit. And we're going to get together on May 9th and do it. Maybe by Facebook Live too, so if you get the kit and you want to join us on Facebook Live, I'll set up, and the girls that are doing it here, we can do it all together. I'm glad you're doing good. What a rough day for you yesterday, but you did say that you're prepared, so you're on my mind today. I'm stamping and thinking of you. All right, so that's the gorgeous Perennial Birthday Kit. Perennial Birthday Stamp Set is available in addition to as an additional item. You'll need that to complete your kit, but of course with this gorgeous kit you could add any floral and any happy birthday greetings you wanted to. You could get creative. But that's it. There's the kit, the stamp set, the cards, the box. All right, let me know if you want to join me for this card class. You can do that by ordering the Perennial Birthday Kit with the host code. Then I'll include you in the in-person event. We're going to have some fun fellowship time together, like craft together. Or I'll get you in by Facebook Live if you order the kit with the host code. And if you're planning on joining me here and you want me to add your kit to my order, I'm going to place that order April 30th, so let me know before that. I'll get you a kit and we'll put it together on May 9th, either 10:30 a.m. or 6:30 p.m. I usually need both of those classes to get my kit done. I'm too chatty. All right, you guys, thanks for joining me. Have a great Saturday. I'm going to go back and get some more work done. If you've got any questions about this, email me, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. Thanks for watching.